This video will demonstrate the proper installation of exterior perforated vinyl graphics. The tools needed for this installation include 70% isopropyl alcohol cleaning solution, scraper tool, and towels to thoroughly clean the glass. A rip tool to create a hinge at the top of the graphic. A squeegee for installation. Edge tape and knife to ensure proper adhesion. Thoroughly clean the glass using 70% isopropyl alcohol cleaning solution and a scraper tool, ensuring every inch of the glass is scraped clean. Once finished scraping, apply another round of cleaning solution and wipe clean with towels, paying extra care to the edges where most of the filth has been scraped to. The glass must be 100% dry before installation. The rip tool allows you to slice through the backing without slicing through the graphic. Lift the backing up from the top corner of the graphic and use the rip tool to slice along the backing, creating a strip across the top of the graphic. Do your best to keep it straight and even. It will make your installation easier. When placing the graphic, you'll notice it is slightly smaller than the space in order to leave room for the edge tape. To ensure the gaps are consistent all the way around, partially remove the backer from one side of the corner and tack the graphic into place, leaving about a 1/4 inch gap on both sides of the corner. With your hands free, you can now rotate the graphic into place and make sure the gaps are even all the way around. Once in position, hold the graphic in place and remove the rest of the top strip of the backer using one hand to tack it into place. Before continuing, check the placement one last time to ensure an even border. Use a squeegee to finish applying the hinge of the graphic. Then, roll the graphic up from the bottom and begin removing the backer from the top of the graphic, about 5 inches at a time. Keeping tension from the center down, begin applying the graphic by squeegeeing from the center out. Continue working your way down, applying the graphic with a squeegee, removing about 5 inches of the backer at a time. It is important for the squeegee to connect with the edges of the graphic to make sure it seals properly. When you get towards the bottom and remove the last of the backer, it is important to work slowly and ensure that the graphic doesn't touch the glass anywhere it isn't supposed to yet, as it can be difficult to lift it up safely. Use edge tape all along the border of the graphic, ensuring the tape connects completely with the glass. Use a squeegee to lock it in. If the graphic runs over the glass and onto the gasket at the bottom, use a knife to make a precise cut and remove the overlap so that the graphic is sealed to the glass only.